Welcome to HBT Holiday Book and Travel. Today we present you the top 10 travel mistakes to avoid. Traveling is one of the best experiences in the world, but it's also easy to mess up if you don't know what to avoid. In this video, Holiday Book and Travel will be sharing the top 10 travel mistakes people make and how you can avoid them so your next trip is stress-free and unforgettable. Stick around because the number one tip could save you hundreds of dollars. Mistake number 10, overpacking. Let's start with a classic, overpacking. We've all been guilty of stuffing our bags with outfits we never wear. The truth is, you don't need half of what you think you do. Pack light, stick to versatile pieces, and remember, laundry exists everywhere. Mistake number 9, not checking visa and entry requirements. Imagine landing in a country and being denied entry because you forgot a visa or overlooked vaccination rules. Ouch! Always double-check entry requirements before booking your flight. It'll save you headaches at the airport. Mistake number 8, ignoring travel insurance. No one thinks they'll need it until they do. Lost luggage, delayed flights, or medical emergencies can turn a dream trip into a nightmare. Travel insurance may not sound exciting, but it's your safety net. Mistake number 7, bad money management. Using airport exchange counters or carrying only cash? Big mistake. You'll lose money on terrible exchange rates or risk theft. Instead, use credit cards with no foreign transaction fees or withdraw cash at local ATMs for the best rates. Mistake number 6, skipping local research. Showing up without learning about local customs can make you look rude, or worse, get you into trouble. A quick Google search on etiquette, tipping, or dress codes goes a long way to show respect for the culture you're visiting. Mistake number 5, over-planning every second. Packing your itinerary with back-to-back activities sounds fun until you realize you're exhausted and not enjoying anything. Leave space for spontaneity. Sometimes the best moments are unplanned. Mistake number 4, forgetting to notify your bank. Nothing's worse than having your card declined abroad because your bank thinks it's fraud. Always notify your bank or use a travel-friendly card to avoid being stuck without money in a new country. Mistake number 3, not backing up important documents. Losing your passport or tickets can be a disaster. Always keep digital copies of your passport, ID, and bookings stored safely online. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Mistake number 2, booking the cheapest option every time. Cheaper isn't always better. That $30 flight might sound great until you realize it lands at 3 a.m. in an airport 2 hours away from the city. Sometimes spending a little extra saves you way more in time and stress. Mistake number 1, not being present in the moment. And the number 1 mistake? Living through your phone instead of the moment. Photos and videos are great, but don't forget to put the camera down, breathe it in, and actually enjoy the place you traveled so far to see. So there you have it, the top 10 travel mistakes to avoid. Which one have you been guilty of? Let me know in the comments. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel guides, hacks, and inspiration every week. Please see the link in the description for any holiday products you may need for your trip. Click to watch the following video.